Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the right clip and setting your project to match its frame rate and resolution. Once imported, scrub to a clear reference frame and set in slash-out trims. Add manual markers or enable feature detection so the tracker has strong points to follow. Then create a new tracking layer or tracker node and pick 8 evenly spaced points across the subject or scene. These will form the basis of your solve. Make sure clips are stabilized if jitter overwhelms features. Now run automatic tracking while watching key points. Don't walk away. Once a pass completes, inspect each track for drift or sudden jumps and correct them by deleting bad frames and retracking small ranges. If points slip during blur or occlusion, add temporary masks or switch to a more robust motion model like a fine or perspective. This preserves scale and rotation. Use subpixel refinement for tight shots, and add constraints or link points to control points to reduce wobble before solving the camera. Finalize by running the camera solver and evaluating reprojection error. Aim for low average error and visually correct parallax. Once satisfied, bake the solve to a camera object or export transforms for your compositor and parent your inserted elements to the solve. Render short test frames with holdouts to confirm alignment and lighting matches. If the result drifts or pops, revert to earlier tracking passes, add more robust points, or split the shot into smaller solves. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.